Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you all how to make a website for free. This is absolutely free, you don't need to cost any money. Okay, I'll go to Google Chrome first. If you all are using Firefox or Microsoft Edge, there's no problem. You all can use that as your website maker. Go to that and search for Blogger. I'll leave a link in the description. Here you all can see the first link, www.blogger.com. This is the website we will be using to make our website. Click on that. Then you will come to a place like this. I have made a blog from this account of mine. So if you want to create a new blog, you can use this method. I will be switching my account now. So you all can see I switched my account. In this, to continue with Blogger, I should give my name. I will give my name now. This is the name that will be used for your Blogger account. After that, like this, you will get some terms and conditions of Blogger. If you want, you can read it. I read it, so I'm not going to read it again. After that, click on create new blog. Then you will get to add a title, address and a theme. I'll just give a title as travel in SL. You can give any title according to your website. This is just a demo I'll be making, so I'm just making any title. Next you have the address. I'll try travel.blogspot.com. They are saying this address is not available. Let's try something else again. That is also not available. I'll try some numbers now. Okay, the numbers worked. You all can see the blog address is available. They are showing. Next we have to choose a theme. I will choose, my topic title is also travel, so I'll choose travel and give create a blog. It will take up to 1 minute for you to make your website. You all can see your blog was successfully created. Now here, this is your blog. You can find. I'll show you all how to make a post for your blog. In some times the blog me refers to here is your website. Now I'll go for comments. Here you all can see I don't have any comments because I just only made the website now. I'll go to page layout. Here you all can see the layout of my website. I can add gadgets and everything also. So this is my website. You all can see the website title. I put travel in SL. It's there. Now when I search in Google also, you all will be able to see it's visible. That means the website is created now. You all can see here, same. Here I don't have any post yet in the website. Now I'll go to settings, and if you all want, you all can change the blog address from here. Click on edit and you can change it. I won't change it for now. You can change your privacy settings, everything. You can delete your blog from here if you want. Here you can give access to someone else also to manage your blog. Someone you trust to, that means to manage your blog, that means to take care of your website, something like that. And be sure to keep your blog readers public. If it is private only you can see, so it's no point. And you can change your language from here if you're using some other language. And here you can see the themes. how it's visible in the mobile phone and in the computer or the PC. Here you can change this if you want. I will not be changing this. I don't want to change this. This way is better for me, so I will keep it like this. Here you can place create new post, and you can add a post title. I will give travel as the title, and you can type anything you want. I will just type traveling is a really good thing to do in life. You can bold this like in Microsoft Word. You can do a lot of things, italic, underline. You can drag and drop links also here, and you can test the links. Here you can drag and drop images. Next you can take videos to your blog from YouTube, and you can upload videos that's available in your computer also. So I'll now show you all an easy way to go to your blog. You all can see here under your heading you can see view blog. Click on that view blog, then you will straight go to your blog. You don't need to type in Google. Here you can see now my heading of my post is there and what I typed. I don't have any comments, anything. Here you all can see. So for you all to remember again, Blogger is a very useful and a good software. Here this is the website. If you all are going from Chrome, you can go to www.blogger.com, and you have a mobile phone app also in the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. If you want, you can download it from there. This app is really useful because it is really easy to use and control your blog. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. Thank you.